So there's one question coming up, Remco. What's the difference to a seam or SOAR, what we just have been showing?
Yeah, the nice thing is that there you have one solution to do it all. So you don't have to have a seam, you don't have to have a SOAR, but you have one solution functioning as a seam, a SOAR, or XDR, or whatever buzzwords you want to call it. It's just in one system.
And connected to that is, do you still need a seam or SOAR, or is that actually a kind of replacement?
You probably you still have a seam, but we will take over functionality from the seam. Eventually, you won't need the seam anymore.
Yeah, there's one more question. How can I do forensic investigations?
So, for example, I told you about the specific event, the customer that was hacked before. So, customer got to us. They were telling us, "Hey, we see a sudden increase in our cloud expenditure. Could you help us to resolve this and find out what happened?" So what we did, we connected to the CloudTrail data. We collected all the data. By default, if you don't enable anything, you still can collect some of the events for 90 days. We collected all the events and used the analyzer and the relational, the graph, to identify in a complete timeline what happened. So you can just use the analyzer, the event comparer, the graph to identify and do analysis.